Let's talk squat variation. You have your bodyweight squat and your barbell squat. You begin the squat by hinging at the hips and pushing your butt back. You keep your chest up, shoulders pulled back, and spine neutral, all while engaging your core by bracing it throughout the movement. Make sure you're pushing through those heels and driving up. To make this challenging, grab a kettlebell or a dumbbell. Now, before we start our barbell squat, you're going to hit the like and subscribe button. Anywho, you are going to make sure with your barbell squat that the bar is comfortably rested on your back. I see a lot of people making the mistake of resting the bar on their neck, which can create a neck injury. Same tips. Here you want to make sure you keep your head up, torso straight, and your core engaged as you squat, sending your hips back and down. Lastly, you want to make sure that you're squatting at a depth that's comfortable for you to avoid injury. Always make sure you've warmed up before doing squats. Check out my warm-up video. Toodles!